In this video, I will show you how to download Audacity for Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Audacity is a piece of software which allows you to record audio, and you can also edit existing audio. Now, to get started, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to google.com. Then in the Google search box, what you want to do is go ahead and type Audacity download, just like so. And once you search for this, you want to click onto the top result. So this is going to take you across to audacityteam.org/download, which is the official download page for Audacity. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is select your operating system. So whether that's Windows, Mac or Linux. For myself, I'm on Windows, so of course I'm going to select Windows. Then what you need to do, you're going to see a ton of different things that you can download. You actually want to download the 64-bit installer. So you can see that's here. Go ahead, click the download button, and what it's going to do is download the installer onto your PC. Once that's downloaded, what you can do is click to open this up, the installation wizard for Audacity, and then what you need to do is just simply run through the steps to install Audacity. So you would just go ahead and run through the setup program and choose where to install this, and then you can choose, of course, whether to create a desktop shortcut or not. So once that's done and you're happy, click install. As you can see, it's currently installing. It only takes a minute or two to install. And if you want to start using Audacity straight away, just leave the box ticked to launch Audacity and then click finish. Now at this point, Audacity is going to load up, as you can see. So we've got a little pop-up here. So what we can do is just go ahead, click OK, and then we can start using Audacity. So that is how to download Audacity for Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. And with that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.